the rocks.
Nice. Keep going.
Okay, I think mine's done. Mine's done. I think it's done.
Yeah, that's good. Wow, look at everything that's in there.
I got a lot of them. I think I got amethyst. Yeah. Oh, yeah,
Whoa, okay.
These are literally my favorite. I see all different types of rocks.
Whoa. Look at this one. Look at all the spots on there. Do you see one that has a bunch of spots on it in the the pictures?
What is that cheese-looking rock?
The cheese-looking one?
I didn't know that was big.
Oh, my rock's big. Almost.
Mine, kind of, because it's big one.
Oh my gosh, are there too many rocks?
No. Mine
Good one?
Mine is